Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a character in PolyBuzz AI. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open the PolyBuzz app, iOS or Android, or access the web version via polybuzz.ai. Then the next thing you like to do is to click on the plus icon in mobile at the bottom corner where you can create a character, or you can select create character on web to begin. So the next thing to do is to select regular, or you can just go ahead and click on the multi-role for you to use it. So this is a very sensitive window on PolyBuzz. So it means that you'll not be able to have access to all the content here, but I'm going to show you what to do from here. The first step is to upload your own image or use PolyBuzz's AI avatar generator. Then once you do that, the next step is the avatar description. First of all, select the text of your avatar, then under it's the description, so describe the character's appearance in detail and select up to 3 art styles. That's under the image styles. Once you do that, choose from the 6 generated options after you've selected generate. So after choosing the styles, up to 3 styles, click on generate, and it's going to take you to the next step where you're going to see these generated options. So just choose one. So once you're done, the next step is to fill in basic profile information. Just complete the required fields. I'm just going to go all the way back so that will not be in this blank screen for long. But the next step is to fill in basic profile information. Just complete the required field, the name and gender, the intro where you have to give a brief introduction connecting the character to the user, the greeting where you have to give the character's first line of dialogue, and permission where you get to set as private or public. You're also asked to add tags. These are optional enhancements. Add up to 5 keywords to help categorize your character, and background where you provide detailed history, family traits, goals, weaknesses, beliefs, etc. Then you have dialogue style. You can choose a dialogue style or tone. Describe language style, tone, and catchphrases. Add sample dialogue lines to anchor how they speak. And then you also have to choose a voice from Poly's library, or blend multiple tones and adjust ratios to reflect your character's personality, elderly, youthful, playful, etc. Tap creator save to finish and test your character by starting a chat. If the replies don't align, go back to edit to refine the background or tone until you're satisfied. To kindly go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.